Hey there, check out the New Balance Men's 2 Soft Base Layer Pant, designed for comfort and performance. Made from 86% polyester and 14% spandex, these pants offer warmth and flexibility during any activity. The non-rolling elastic waistband stays in place, so you won't have to worry about discomfort or adjustments. With 3M reflective pill tape and logos on the side and calves, safety during evening workouts is guaranteed. These base layer pants are perfect for layering under clothes for running, hiking, biking, skiing, and more. Plus, they're easy to care for, machine washable with cold water and safe for the dryer. Enjoy a soft, plush feel that moves with you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.